So let's see what do we have here for you guys today. If meron kayo marinig na parang mga ingay sa aking background, mga noises, no? Okay, sorry about that mga babes, no? But it's out of my control. Mag-focus na lamang tayo dito sa ating own world. So let us see what do we have here for you. So we have here the Seven of Fire. You're going back and forth about something. Nahihirapan ka ditong makagawa ng desisyon. So it looks like your feet, no, ay i-step mo forward and then ibabalik mo ulit, no. You're not really decided, no. So hindi ka pa makapag-desisyon. So let us see what do we have here for today's reading. So just take only what resonates, guys, okay? Yun. Archangel Michael, Army of Guardian Angels, thank you so much. Let us see the messages. Tigane, you're tired? Center of the reading, Justice, Eight of Water here. Noadzo. Let go. Okay? You need to move on. Meron ng iba tong tao na to at mukhang masaya na siya sa feeling nun. So kung sino man tong person na to, nakakapagod siyang mahalin. Three of Air energy, pero meron ng ibang nagmamahal at nag-aalaga sa kanya ngayon. Okay? You've already done your part. Marami ka na rin ginawa for this person here, no? Pwede ka nang mag-stop dito. Okay? Kung sino man tong person na ito, okay? Itong tao na to, no, ay nasa feeling na ng iba. At mukhang masaya na siya rito. So, you need to move on so that you can breathe. So, if nakakapagod na, then you can stop. Okay? Sometimes, letting go is the only option na kailangang gawin. Actually, yun pa nga minsan or kadalasan yung best na desisyon na dapat gawin. Yan, no? So, kung sino man yung mga napipick up ko dito, no, I repeat, no, tayo dito ay hindi nakakuha ng lahat ng energies, no, ibig sabihin hindi lahat kayo makaka-resonate, no, pero para dun sa ramdam ninyo na masaya na yung person ninyo sa ibang tao, you need to let go. Okay? Tawadso. Okay? Okay, bakit? Sasabihin ko sa inyo, justice dito, no, sa center ng inyong reading, no. So, this is not really a sad ending right here, no, but this is something here, no, na posibleng makapagpa-realize sa'yo na kailangan mo nang bumitaw. Sometimes that's the only option or that's the only thing that you must do. So, bago natin pag-usapan more itong reading na ito ninyo, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone! My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istam buyers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung di niyo pa alam, mayroon pa po tayong other channel link down below sa ating description box. So if interested, click lang yung link dyan para mapunta kayo doon. Araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga, nawala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. So, just take only what resonates. And yes, no timeless tayo dito. Puwedeng tapos na, nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na po ngayon, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang. Gano'n pa man, kung sino man yung mga napi-pick up natin na mga energies today, your person that you still love is now loving someone else. Okay? So whether that's a third party, third wheel, or maybe not, talagang nagmamahal lang siya ng bago ngayon. You need to release that man or that woman even though you love him or her so much, okay? So, alam mga babes 'no, totoo 'yun kahit na parang cliche or parang, gasgas na 'no, na kailangan mo munang mahalin yung sarili mo 'no, so that you can love someone 'no, ng mas tama at mas maayos. So, dito mas minahal mo siya ng sobra kaya halos walang natira sa'yo, Three of Air energy. Kaya nung natapos ang inyong koneksyon talagang gumuho yung mundo mo at hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula, paano kumilos, or paano ngumiti araw-araw or maging masaya 'no. It is because mas minahal mo siya kumpara sa sarili mo. It's not about, being greedy or selfish 'no, na dapat ay, unahin yung iba or 'pag inuna ko yung sarili ko, miss yan, baka magmukha akong makasarili or selfish. No, it's not that. Actually, it's the contrary. In order for you to love someone correctly, you must learn how to love yourself first. Okay? So, it doesn't mean na um, walang may deserve na makatanggap ng so much love, no? Pero kung sino man 'tong minahal mo na 'to, hindi kasi nakikita ko rito na siya yung person for you, like he or she is not really the person for you. The thing right in here is that you must move on because someone else I meant for you. Yan, no? Something that you probably do not know right now, but you need to keep sailing even though mabagal or slowly lang, no, okay lang. So, you need to, outs this, no, sagwan, no, kailangan mong mag-paddle, no, okay, para makapunta ka on the other side, no. You need to release the feelings. It's okay kahit hindi mabilis, no, you just need to let go. Okay? And it is also finding yourself. Okay? It is also self-love dito, no? So, this person here that you love so much isn't really the person meant for you. So, parang nasayang lang yung time ko for that person. Hindi. Actually, siya pa nga yung naging dahilan kung paano mo mahahanap yung sarili mo dito. Okay, dahil sa kanya marami ka ring natutunan sa love na ia-apply mo sa iyong, next journey sa taong talagang meant for you. See, we have here the King of Water energy. And what I love about it 'no, is that the King of Water, okay, ay right next dito sa Ten of Water energy, which means you will be so happy with this new person. Kaya actually, hindi nga new person eh, no? Yan new kasi hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng relationship. But this is really the right one for you. This is the one na sinasabi ng mga stars, okay, ng naka-align ng mga planets dito, the one meant for you. In the beginning, ito na talaga yung taong nakatakda for you. So, whoever this energy is, saan man siyang panag ng earth ngayon or sang lupalop man siya ngayon ng mundo, this person here will surely meant to find you because you are his or her destiny. The person na talaga makakapagbigay sa'yo rito no, ng unconditional love and so much happiness with this 10 of water energy. So, I do see that in order for you, okay, to find the right one or mahanap ka niya is that you need to release. Paano yun, miss yan? Parang feeling ko kahit ilang taon pa yung lumipas, hindi ako makakabilis na makamove on sa person na yan. yung minahal ko miss niya, it's okay. Wala namang kailangang magmadali dito dahil una pa lang naitakda na kung sino man 'tong tao na 'to, naka-connect mo, makakasama at makakasama mo 'yan. So, it doesn't matter how long ka na magmo-move on kasi masyado mong minahal yung person dito 'no, na meron na ngayong iba sa buhay niya 'no, it's okay. Ang importante gumaling ka, gumaling yung heart mo. Gumaling yung puso mo. Because that is the only way that your man, the true man, the right person, the right man, the right woman here for you, no? Or ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake mo. That is the only way para mahanap ka niya dito. 'Di ba? Sa ganong klase ng energy. So definitely, okay, no need to worry because from the beginning, since the beginning, okay, ay ito na talaga yung person na nakatakda for you. The only thing right in here is we need to pull, hatak-hatak, hila-hila yung tao na ito na meant for you, okay, na pumasok na sa buhay mo. If you will still cling into that type of energy that you're still loving that person, waiting for that person, even though you feel it up onto your bones, na mahal niya na yung bago, na masaya na siya sa bago, and you know that even though it's hard to accept, then, you need to let go. Because that person with the 8 of Water energy will not mag-u-U-turn, hindi 'no, hindi siya mag-u-U-turn dito, hindi 'to babalik sa'yo, okey? Dahil nakita ko rito na masaya na nga siya sa bago 'no, at nakikita ko na yung iba kung hindi pa sila kasal niyan papunta sila dung dalawa 'no. So nakikita ko rito that the person you're loving right now, I know it's hard to accept right now, pero naka-move on na siya sa'yo. Kailangan mo na rin mag-move on sa kanya, babe. Whoever this right man of yours, right woman of yours, okay, hinihintay ka nito on the other side. Kaya nga I told you guys, 'di ba? Keep on sagwan. Okay? Up until makarating kayo on the other side because the person really meant for you is waiting for you somewhere sa ibabaw ng earth ngayon. 'Di ba? Yeah. Yeah, it's really hard to, let go, especially if you love someone. Mm. But that's really love na nararamdaman mo. Because if it is easy, then it's not love, right? Ace of Earth energy, I'm seeing that you will start again. And with the Hierophant, I do pick up that the relationship meant for you ay guided ng universe at ng mga angel guardians dito. So, your relationship with your right person ay protected, secured. Kaya't walang kahit na anong makakabarag at makakatibag nun. Diba? So, okay? Even though it's something here, no, na parang sometimes you need to go back to the past, but you want to move forward, it's okay because it's really hard at first, difficult at first, but you can do it. You can do it. Okay? So, it doesn't matter, okay, kung gaano katagal, pero mas maganda sana kung bibilisan mo para mas dumating na siya. 'Di ba? Yung taong talagang para sa'yo. See? Dito sa taong 'to mararamdaman mo na kahit maikli yung buhok mo, feeling mo ang haba-haba ng hair mo. You will be so happy to the point that you will forget, okay, na meron ka pang ibang mga problema. Gano'n, gano'n ako magiging kasaya, miss niyan. Gano'n ka magiging kasaya. So yeah, for the initials right in here, capital letter A, capital letter I, capital letter L, capital letter M, capital letter P, capital letter B as in boy, capital letter J, and capital letter R. And for other letters might not be capital F, N, D, C, and last but not the least, we've got S. So yeah, again, I'm Yuriana on ni Sarang Love and Light, sweethearts. Annyeong.